Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to this channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from makeup to hair to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified of my new videos and you join the notification gang, don't forget to hit that bell button. Alright, let's get on to the subject matter. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be about the winter essentials. In case you didn't know, I've been watching a lot of Game of Thrones lately, and guess what? The winter is coming. Alright, anyway, so obviously winter is already here, so let's hop into my top 10 winter essentials. We're going to start with home. Alright, so I happened to be in Target several months, or probably like 2 months ago, and I saw this fresh pine cut Febreze scent. It's limited edition, so I need to go get one more before they take all the winter stuff away and bring out the spring stuff. But this stuff smells so good. It is long lasting, as mostly Febreze is. But if you guys are looking for a fresh pine or kind of a wintry, like, you want to just string Christmas along a little bit longer, definitely check out this Febreze Fresh Cut Pine. Also, I love a good pine smelling candle. I purchased some candles from Bath & Body Works. I will leave the card above and in the description of my winter candle haul. But I just love a nice woodsy or balsam kind of scent in the wintertime. So I have this one here, the Marshmallow Fireside. I think this one's out starting in the fall, but they also have it in the winter. I really love just like the woodsy fireside smell of this, as well as a fresh balsam. These are my two favorites for the winter. Yeah. Next up is bidet. So of course you guys know that your skin typically gets more dry if you're in very cooler to cold, freezing climates. So I love a good facial scrub or body scrub. Today I'm going to show you guys the L'Oreal Pure Scrub, and the fragrance I believe is like Kona coffee, like a brown sugar coffee scrub from L'Oreal. This smells so good. It smells exactly like coffee and exactly like brown sugar all in one. And I also use it on my lips because my lips be cracking me up. They're so dry all winter long. And in addition to that, I love any kind of cocoa smell or any kind of cocoa butter fragrance or actual product with cocoa butter in it. So I have this Walmart brand cocoa petroleum jelly, and then I also have the Palmer's cocoa butter, like the OG that everyone's probably been using since birth. I either use this first and I'll put this on afterwards, or I'll just use them individually. I don't really have a routine per se, but these really keep me moisturized in the wintertime, and I absolutely love it. Kind of body thing is I was sent this razor. It's called the Avaline Shave Your Way. It's actually pretty interesting. So this is a cool kind of, they want to make it ergonomically friendly razor. I'm not gonna obviously shave my arm, but as you can see, it's actually just different than your standard and a lot smaller than your standard razor. I've used it several times and it really does give me a close shave. I will leave a link and everything, and I think I have a discount code for this if you guys want to try it out. On to hair. Hair is definitely, now is the time to ramp up your deep conditioning. If you don't deep condition, I highly recommend at least deep conditioning once a week, no matter what your hair type is. Even if you have the straightest, stringiest, fine hair to the thickest, kinkiest, coiliest, wintertime, your hair is more prone to breakage, so you definitely want to do a deep conditioner. Now this deep conditioner obviously is focused more to kinky hairstyle because, girl, that's what I have. So I love this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Manuka Oil Intensive Hydrating Hair Mask. Woo, that is a lot to say. But this is one of my favorite deep conditioners. I will leave an iCard above about this conditioner from another review that I've done. But I really love the way it smells, and it just makes my hair stay soft for days on end, and I love it. So definitely deep condition. I'm going to start deep conditioning twice a week. So once on Wednesday when I do my actual wash routine, and then on Sunday when I do my refresh, I'm going to deep condition and then just retwist my hair. Because I'll be wearing protective styles, honey, as you can see right here. Now on to fashion. All right, so some fashion winter must-haves. If you live in an extremely cold climate, or it tends to get down pretty low where you live, I would, and you probably already have these, but if you don't, I love these A New Day tights. They're fleece line tights from Target, but they are super thick tights. They kind of feel almost like a legging material, but they're actually tights because they super stretch and they obviously have the foot in them. So these are awesome for those cold going out nights where you want to wear something super extra and not those opaque tights that the wind blows through. Get you some fleece tights. The popular thing this year is the teddy coat, or in my case is a teddy sweater. I actually do have a teddy coat. I've had it for a long time and I didn't know they were called teddy coats. Same with this one. I got this last year from Aeropostale and I didn't realize. I just like furry stuff, as you can tell. And I picked it up last year, but these are super popular. It looks kind of like a teddy bear. This one is a kind of, I like to call these granny sweaters, a cardigan with pockets in the front. But teddy anything is the way to go this winter. Last but not least are liquid leggings. I purchased these from Primark when I was in London. I will leave an iCard above. They have some exactly like this at H&M. I will leave a similar in the description box. And also I have some kind of athleisure type of liquid leggings that you can get from Walmart for 10 bucks. I will leave those in the description box as well. But I absolutely love a liquid legging. It looks good with the fur, just a plain shirt. You can dress it up, dress it down. I love. And it just adds, you know, a little edge to a plain outfit. So get you some liquid leggings, sis. Last but not least, which is very essential in every season, please be sure to drink plenty of water so that that skin stays supple, that your hair stays supple. Water is just the essential need for everything, most specifically in the winter, to keep those lips from cracking and that skin from cracking, especially if you have dry skin like I do. All right, so that is it for my top 10 2019 winter essentials. And don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in 2019, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. All right, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.